In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily deposit money on Phemex. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Phemex, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. And depending on how much you deposit and trade, you can get up to $8,800 in bonuses. To create an account, you simply have to enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. Let me show you quickly how you can deposit crypto first. Simply go up here, click on deposit and then on on-chain. Then you will get to this page right here. First of all, you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. As you can see, many different coins. Simply select any one that you would like, for example, US dollar Tether. Then you can select the network. As you can see, there are different networks. And then down here, you will get your personal deposit address. So simply deposit that crypto over this network to this address, and then you will have it right here on your account. The second option is, of course, to deposit with fiat money. So if you have US dollars, euro, British pound, or whatever fiat currency you want, you have two different options. You can go up here to buy crypto. Either you can do a simple fiat deposit with a bank transfer. You can click on here. As you can see, select your fiat currency right here and type in the amount you want to deposit, for example, 500 euro. And then as you can see, you will make a wire transfer. It won't cost you any fee and it will take 1 to 2 days for the money to arrive. If you click on deposit right here, you will be presented with the bank information that you need for the bank transfer, which is a recipient name, an IBAN, or also called bank number, and a reference code. You need to include all of these three things in your personal bank transfer. And once you've sent the money, it will arrive right here on Phemex on the platform within 1 to 2 days. The second option is to do a fiat deposit by going up here to buy crypto and then selecting credit or debit card. You will have a little bit of a higher fee in here, and you will need to use your Visa or MasterCard, so a credit or debit card, and you will simply buy crypto directly on the platform. So if you click on here, what you effectively do is just purchase crypto with your fiat money and then have that crypto on the platform here. Simply select buy, click right here and select your fiat currency, euro for example, type in the amount, and you will select the fiat currency that you want to deposit right here. You can choose between these four. I recommend you to just use USDT because you can then either trade on here with it or exchange it for any other cryptocurrency, of course, as well. Then all you have to do is click down here on buy and you will be directed to the service where you need to enter your card details of your credit or debit card, and then you will have the money right here immediately. And that's pretty much already it. If at any point you want to check if the money has already arrived that you have deposited, you can simply go up here to your wallet, simply click on here. And here you will have an overview of all of your available balances that you have on your account. As you can see, here's your spot account also on here. If you click on your spot account, here is where all of your cryptocurrencies are located. So you will see all of your crypto right here if you've deposited any crypto. And the other option, if you have deposited any fiat, you will see it down here in your fiat account. Here you can check if your fiat money has already arrived. Don't forget to create an account on Phemex by using the link down from the video description to get up to $8,800 in welcome bonuses. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.